All right, we got our first big snow of the year, which isn't bad. Made it first week of January, and it drifted some. I was coming home from work yesterday, so I normally back in, but everything was so bad I just drove in. I hardly got home, and I know it don't sound good right now. I'm sick. It's about 11 o'clock in the morning. I should have been out here and had this all done, but say this cold's just kicking my ass. So, anyways, see if I can't do a cold start in that tractor. Let her warm up and start pushing some of the snow out of the way. Oh yeah. Oh man. I just walked through knee deep of snow to get here. I didn't go that far and I'm wheezing. Alright, so yeah. See if I can't get the abominable snow tractor going here. I had the battery in the house, put it in my porch, keep it nice and warm. Alright. Let's hope this works. Alright, choke's on, throttle set. A lot of the snow knocked off it. Alright, key on. Yeah, these tractors, they will not start. They have to be in neutral. That's your safety. Kind of like your newer vehicles, they won't start without the clutch in. So, yeah, that way you don't, yeah. Oh God, I can't even talk. Anyways, let's see if she'll start. It's close. Alright, let her warm up, get to work. Oh, better start it again then. Alright, choke. Release some choke for a minute. Alright, let this warm up and I'll have to grab my tripod, start getting some plowing done. Oh, God. Well, I figure I might as well wait in here where it's warmer while the tractor warms up. It's one of Sprout's toys. Get that for Christmas. Alright. Tractor warm up. Have a coffee. God. So yeah, I'm taking the day off work. Just I don't know, like there's people there, they should be fine. So but all I'm doing today is getting that snow moved out there and lazing around. Excuse me. Alright. Okay. Yeah. Anyway, that's it for now. So I'll get some footage of me moving some snow around, and I don't know, just say one of those days I don't even know what the hell I'm talking about right now. Alright, got this much done. Yeah, fuck, I had to take a break. Oh man, pretty bad when you can't even drive. Starting to get it opened up around here. I think this is the most snow I've pushed with that since I've been here and had that set up. So, just keep going. Get the rest of the driveway out, and I can move my truck. Yeah, excuse me. And then I can take all this snow and just kind of push it all up in there. Just getting everything pushed back as far as I can. you wouldn't be long closing up the yard if you hit a few more snows like this. So, anyway, better get back at her. Alright, so far so good. Everything's working. I'm gonna have to tighten the chains up some, get them reset. We can do that tomorrow or something. I am almost done, so hopefully they'll hold and not come off. I just gotta back my truck up and clear this spot out, and I think I'm gonna call it a day. Anyway, so yeah, so guess this is it till next time. All right, later.